Fig Restoration.
Hi, I'm so excited about this year, and I want to discuss some things that stands in our way as we're trying to reach a certain level of success in our credit and finances. I have so many high hopes for our community, so I hope that some of these videos will be able to help you. So the first thing is, lenders don't care about the reasoning behind why we ended up having credit issues, nor do they want to hear our excuses. The main thing that they are going to be focusing on is the risk or the liability that you may cause them if they approve your loan. Not only that, they want to see by your results of your credit score, have you gone through the proper process in order to attain the scores that you will require in order for them to give you a loan. So today I kind of jotted out a couple of items that I want to share with you. So listen, if you speak to anyone that has reached a certain level of success, they will tell you that there was a process that they had to go through. So remember this, you cannot skip the process. What may have took you years to end up in a situation where your credit was no longer worthy of obtaining loans, it's not going to take you overnight to get out of that situation. But I'm here to help you. And so here are a couple of tips that will allow you to properly go through the process so that you can now live the lifestyle that you desire, okay? This is what the process consists of as it pertains to increasing your credit scores. So you have to have income. You need income to maintain your open accounts. If you don't have income coming in, you're really going to have a hard time with paying your bills, which leads me into the next item up for discussion. Paying your bills on time is so important. Payment history is 35% of your scores. If you can't pay your bills, that's going to cause you to lose points, in a drastic amount of points, if I may add. Also, you have to be able to pay your credit card balances down. Not being able to pay your credit card balances down will stall your scores or even cause your scores to drop. And a lot of times we tend to see scores drop the more that we utilize that balance that we have. So make sure you are paying your credit card balances down. That's 30% of your credit score. Then you have to be able to add or build to increase your credit score. Sometimes our credit profile is just not that strong, and in order to do that, we have to now add accounts. There are two types of accounts that every credit report will have. One will be revolving, the other will be installment. So if you have a thin credit profile, you have to have the capacity to be able to rebuild. That's really, really important. And then lastly, which is not all of the things that you'll need for the process, but these are the most important. You have to be able to pay down debt. Contrary to popular belief and to all of the stuff you see on social media, sometimes you have to pay your debt. And so if it comes to the point where you have to pay your debt, always know that you definitely can negotiate a payment for deletion for those collections. You also can do a negotiation for any, charge-offs that you may have that's currently affecting your credit scores. But just know, before you make any steps or attempts to start working on this, speak with an experienced professional that can definitely guide you in that direction if that's the route that you need to go, because you never want to pay things off that just aren't going to affect your credit score positively. So my name is Muncie Hawkins. I am the founder of Fig Restoration, a credit consulting company. And if you are trying to get to that next level in your credit scores, please call us, go on our website, and schedule a consultation, and we'll be able to help you identify those areas that you need to strengthen with your credit profile. Thank you. www.figrestoration.com